I'm making this video on behalf of snoreforce.com. I didn't realize my snoring was a problem until I got married at the ripe old age of 35. I was waking my wife up at night, she'd wake me up, and we both had to work the next day. It became too much of a problem. We knew we had to do something about it. We seen a commercial one night about a stop snoring mouthpiece. We ordered one, tried it out, and it worked. So then I kept trying out different products to try to figure out what the most comfortable one was. So now I make these videos for you guys. I record myself sleeping with the product in so you can see for yourself whether it works or not. And then at the end of the video, I give my opinion about the product, how comfortable it is and stuff, and more information about how the product's supposed to work. Yada yada. This video is going to be about Theravent Snore Therapy strips. They come in 3 different degrees of strength: starter, regular, and max. You're supposed to start off with the starter and adjust, but I'll talk more about that at the end of the video. I went straight to the max ones and I didn't feel like messing around. So enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks. Okay, I have on my Theravent Snore Therapy Strips Max. Take one.